By knowing Him alone, this individual soul can sail across this vicious cycle of life and death or Maya. Therefore, arise, awake, and take the shelter of a genuine spiritual master and know him immediately. Another contradictory attribute. Where does he dwell? Where does he stay? Vedas tell. Eko devaha sarvabhuteshu gudaha sarvavyapi sarvabhutantaratma karma dhyaksyaha sarvalokadivasaha sakshi cheta kebalo nirgunasya. Shvetashvatar Upanishad. God is one and supreme. Sarva bhuteshu gudaha. He is dwelling in each and every individual's heart. Sarva vyapi. He is all pervasive. Sarva bhutantaratma. Dwelling in each and every individual's heart. Karma dhakshaha. He is observing the actions and intentions of each and every individual being. And not only that, he dwells in his supreme abode, continuously, ceaselessly, incessantly. न तत्र सूर्यो भान्ति न चंद्र तारकम नेमा विद्युतो भान्ति कुतोयम अग्निः तमेव भान्तमनुभाति सर्वं तस्य भाखा सर्वमिदं विभाति. श्वेताश्वतर उपनिषद. No sun can enter inside that divine abode. No moon can go inside that. Time cannot enter inside that. Na tad bhasayate suryo na shashanko na papakaha yad gatva na nivartante tad dhamam paramam mama. Gita. Now, the next contradictory attribute. God is one, or two, or three, or infinite in number. Eko devaha. God is one and supreme. Sarvam kalvidam brahma. God is one and supreme. Ishavasyam idagvam sarvam. God is one and supreme. Eko sadvipraha bahudha badanti. Ved. Ahameva samevagre nanyadas sadasad param pashadaham yadetacha yo vashishyeta sosmyaham. Bhagavat. Before the creation, I was alone. During creation, I alone exist. And after cataclysm, only I remain. So God is one. Now, God is two. Dva suparna sayuja sakhaya samanam vriksham parikhasva jate tayoranyah pippalam swadavatya नश्नन्नन्यो अविचाकशीति. वेद. समाने वृक्षे पुरुखो निमग्नो निशया शोचति मुह्यमानः जुष्टं यदा पश्यत्यन्यमीशमस्य महिमानमिति भीतशोकः. God is two in number. Suparnabetto sadrishau sakhayo yadrichayayitau kritanidau cha vrikshe ekastayo kadati peppalan manyo nirannopi bale na bhuyan. Bhagavat. There are two birds with beautiful plumage. The individual soul and the supreme soul dwelling in the same place. The individual soul is reaping the consequences of the actions which he has performed and which is performing. In terms of two fruits, the bitter one, the sweet one. And the other word is only observing the actions of his friend. So, God is two in number. Again the Vedas tell, Gyagyo dvavaja vishanisha eka hoktri bhogyartha yukta ananta shatma vishwarupo yakarta trayam yada bindate brahmametat. Shvetashvatar Upanishad. God is three in number. Etas geyam nityam evatam sanstam natah param veditavyam vakinchet bhokta bhogyam preritaram chamatva sarvam proktam trivedam brahmametat. God is three in number. Only know these three entities. Bhokta, the enjoyer. Bhogya, the enjoyed. Prerak, the inspirer. God is inspiring us, the enjoyer or Bhokta Brahma. And God is also inspiring the Bhogya Brahma Maya. There is rainfall, there is snowfall, there is winter, there is summer, there is flower in the mango tree. Then there will be small fruits. Then the fruits will grow in size. Ultimately it will be a ripened one. So he is giving inspiration to the enjoyed Brahma and the enjoyer Brahma. He is the inspirer. Now, once you know these three entities, there is no need of knowing anything else. Now let's understand the enjoyer Brahma or Bhokta Brahma. Atmanagvam ratinam viddhi shariragvam ratamevatu buddhim to sarathim viddhi manah pragraham evacha indriyani hayanahura vishayagvam steshu gocharan atmandriyam anurayuktam bhoktetyahur manishinah vijnanah sarathiryastu manah pragrahavanarah Swadhvanah paramapnoti tad Vishnoho paramam padam. Kathopanishad. There is one passenger. He has to reach his home. The passenger has been gifted a beautiful vehicle, a chariot. The father has gifted that chariot to his child. Oh, my dear child, please come to my home, which is your abode. Atmanagvam rathinam viddhi. Who is the passenger? The individual soul. Atmanagvam rathinam viddhi shariragvam ratham evato. This human body is the chariot. Buddhim to saratham viddhi. The charioteer is the intellect. Sarathi, the charioteer, one who is driving this chariot. And in the hands of the driver of the chariot, there is a bridle. Manah pragrahamevacha. Bridle is the mind. And this chariot is being driven by 5 beautiful horses. They are the 5 sense organs. And the chariot has been given to the child by his father to come to Shantipur, Anandapur, Brahmapur, the abode of peace. The driver of the chariot is under the spell of Maya. It is under a drunken state. Because of the intoxication, it is asking the passers-by, where is the home? They are guiding. And the person who is riding the chariot, the passenger, is not aware. And as the people in the world they tell, the driver is driving the chariot. But from time immemorial they are making efforts, but the home is yet to be reached. The passenger has absolutely no answer. The driver is asking again and again, please tell me, where is your home? I do not know. But when my home will come, I'll tell you, this is my home, I have reached my home. This is Bhokta Brahma, or the enjoyer Brahma. And Bhogya Brahma is the material world, the cosmic world. So there are 3 Brahmans. Again the Vedas tell, no, there are infinite number of Brahmans. Bhumirāpanalo vāyuh khang mano buddhirevacha ahankara iti yamme benna prakritirashtada. Gita. God is innumerable in number. Now next contradictory attribute. There is no principle besides God. Matah parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya mai sarvamidam protam sutre maniganaiva. There is nothing beyond me. Dravyam karmasya kalasya svabhava jiva evacha vasudevat paro brahman nachanyorthosti tattvataha. Bhagavat There is only one principle. There is nothing beyond me. Again, the Vedas tell, Tameshwaranam paramam maheshwaram, tam devatanam paramam cha daivatam, patim patinam paramam parastat, vidama devam bhuvaneshamidyam. Shvetashvatar Upanishad. He is the Lord of the Lords. Tameshwaranam paramam maheshwaram, tam devatanam paramam cha daivatam, patim patinam. He is the husband of the husbands. So there are so many things besides God. Mamaivansho jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatana Gita. Arjun, there are innumerable individual souls. Next contradictory attribute.